Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. In today's video, we're diving into modern home design ideas that make even the tiniest spaces feel open, elegant, and incredibly functional. Whether you're in a studio apartment, a compact condo, or just want to make the most of your square footage, these tips will transform your home into a modern masterpiece. From smart storage solutions to sleek furniture and minimalist decor, we've got everything you need to maximize space without compromising on design. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the best small space modern home design ideas. Modern living is increasingly defined by compact and efficient spaces. With urbanization, rising property prices, and a growing preference for minimalism, many homeowners and renters are choosing smaller homes. Whether you're in a studio apartment, a tiny house, or just want to optimize a compact living space, modern home design offers countless creative solutions. This comprehensive guide explores small space modern home design ideas, focusing on functionality, aesthetics, and intelligent use of every square foot. Understanding small space modern design. What is small space modern design, small space? Modern design is a blend of contemporary aesthetics and functional layouts tailored to compact living. It emphasizes clean lines, open layouts, multi-purpose furniture, and neutral color palettes. The goal is to create a space that feels open, uncluttered, and efficient, regardless of square footage. Key characteristics: minimalism. Less is more. Modern small space designs reduce clutter and focus on essentials. Functionality. Every piece of furniture or decor serves a purpose. Natural light. Large windows, glass doors, and reflective surfaces help expand the perceived space. Smart storage. Innovative storage solutions are essential to maintain a tidy appearance. Open concept layouts. Fewer walls and more fluid transitions between spaces. Core principles of modern design for small spaces. A. Open and airy layouts. Avoid closed-off rooms. Open plans allow natural light to flow and create a feeling of spaciousness. This can be achieved by removing unnecessary walls, using open shelving instead of cabinets, choosing low-profile furniture. B. Neutral and light colors. Light shades. Make a room feel bigger and brighter. Popular choices include white, light gray, beige, soft pastels. Add contrast with darker elements, like a black metal frame or navy blue couch, for visual interest. C. Multifunctional furniture. Opt for pieces that serve more than one purpose, such as sofa beds, storage ottomans, drop-leaf dining tables. Desks that double as vanities. This approach saves space while maximizing functionality. D. Vertical utilization. When square footage is limited, think vertically. Tall bookshelves, wall-mounted storage, hanging plants, vertical wall gardens. These elements draw the eye upward and free up floor space. Small space design ideas by Room A. Living room 1. Use a neutral base start with light-colored walls and a minimalist couch. A compact sectional can create cozy seating without overcrowding. Floating shelves and wall-mounted units replace bulky media consoles with floating shelves, or wall-mounted TVs. Use vertical wall space for books, decor, and storage. Mirror magic. Strategically placed mirrors reflect light and give the illusion of a larger room. A large wall mirror or mirrored furniture can be very effective. Modular sofas. These are perfect for adapting the space as needed. Some come with built-in storage or can be rearranged to fit different occasions. B. Bedroom. Under bed storage. Choose beds with built-in drawers or lift-up storage. Utilize the space beneath the bed for storing seasonal clothes or linens. Wall-mounted lighting. Ditch the bedside table lamp. Use wall-mounted or hanging lights to save surface space. Sliding. Doors. Traditional swing doors take up room. Sliding barn doors or pocket doors offer a sleek, modern look and save valuable floor space. Built-in wardrobes. Built-in storage saves space and maintains clean lines. Floor-to-ceiling closets with integrated mirrors can also enhance spatial perception. C. Kitchen 1. Open shelvings. Open shelves instead of upper cabinets to make the kitchen appear more open. Display curated sets of dishes or pantry items. Compact appliances. Choose smaller versions of common appliances, like 2-burner stoves, slim refrigerators, built-in microwaves. Foldable or pull-out tables. For dining or extra prep space. Pull-out surfaces offer temporary usability without permanent bulk. Vertical pantry tall. Narrow pull-out pantry cabinets can hold a surprising amount of food and supplies in a compact footprint. D. Bathroom. Wall-hung fixtures, toilets, and sinks that are mounted on the wall open up floor space and give the bathroom a sleek, modern look. Glass shower enclosures. Instead of curtains or opaque partitions, use glass to keep the room feeling open. Storage nooks. Recessed shelves inside the shower or next to the vanity help store items without taking up extra space. Over-the-toilet storage. This underutilized area is perfect for shelves or cabinets. To store towels and toiletries at E, workspace or home office 1. Wall desks. A fold-down desk or a mounted work surface can create a compact, dedicated workspace. Built-in shelving units. Keep supplies and electronics organized without the need for freestanding furniture. Convert a closet. Turn a rarely used closet into a small office, often called a cloffice. Smart design techniques. Layered lighting. Good lighting enhances a small room's functionality and ambiance. Combine ambient, ceiling lights, task, desk or counter lights. Accent, LED strips, sconces. Avoid overlighting, which can make a space feel harsh. B. Zone definition even. Without walls, define areas for living, working, and dining. Use rugs, different lighting styles. Furniture arrangement. This helps create a structured and organized layout. C. Reflective and glossy surfaces. Glass, high-gloss paint, and lacquered furniture reflect light and give a polished, expansive look. Use sparingly to avoid overshine. Decor tips for small modern spaces. Keep it simple, don't over-decorate. A few well-chosen pieces, such as a statement lamp or framed artwork, are better than a crowded wall. Opt for lightweight furniture. Choose furniture with slender legs and open bases. This creates a sense of openness compared to bulky pieces. Use textures. Wisely, since you're likely working with fewer items, use textures, linen, wood grain, metal, to add richness without clutter. Greenery. Add plants to bring life into a small space. Hanging planters, windowsill pots, or wall-mounted planters are excellent options. Smart technology for small modern homes integrates smart home technology for a more convenient and clutter-free living environment. Smart lighting systems, like Philips Hue, voice-controlled assistants, Google Home, Alexa. Compact smart appliances, automated blinds or curtains. These solutions often reduce the need for physical controls or switches, helping to maintain clean lines and surfaces. Common mistakes to avoid overcrowding furniture. Less is more. Avoid oversized pieces and prioritize what you truly need. Ignoring storage. A clutter-free home requires clever and ample storage solutions. Dark colors everywhere. While accents are fine, too much dark color can make a small space feel cramped. Blocking natural light. Avoid placing large items in front of windows or doors that let in light. Case study: 500 SQFT Modern Apartment Lets. Take a look at a sample layout and how modern design is used. Living dining combo. Open plan area with a compact L-shaped sofa, wall-mounted TV, and a small round dining table. Kitchen. Galley style with white open shelving, integrated appliances, and a pull-out pantry. Bedroom. Murphy bed that folds into the wall, freeing up space during the day. Bathroom. Walk-in shower with a glass partition and a floating vanity. This setup showcases how even the smallest apartments can be highly livable and stylish. Sustainability in small modern design often aligns with eco-conscious living. Tips for sustainable small space design include using reclaimed or multifunctional furniture, choosing energy-efficient appliances, installing LED lighting, opting for durable materials that require fewer replacements. Living small doesn't just save space, it can also reduce your environmental footprint. Final thoughts. Modern small space home design is not about sacrifice. It's about smart choices, intentional living, and creative thinking. With the right approach, even the tiniest home can be transformed into a functional, beautiful sanctuary. Whether you're decorating your first apartment, downsizing to a tiny home, or optimizing a city studio, these ideas can help you make the most of your space while reflecting your unique modern style.